even though for the longest time it felt like I couldn't really do anything, I didn't have some unique, cool hobby that made me stand out or, something I did that was cool. I've recently been able to just try and learn a lot new things and surprisingly haven't been bad in those things. And I just want to talk to you for a little bit on how I was able to learn a lot of things pretty quickly that it actually became surprising not only to me but other people. Like when I play the piano, a lot of people get surprised of the songs that I'm playing, but also the fact that I tell them that I haven't even been playing for that long, or that I only had this channel for a year, 2 years. So basically what I did to first of all find out what I wanted to learn was just think of something that I've seen someone else do, or imagine to myself, what would look cool? What would be cool if I can do this, if I can play this song, if I can make this, have this happen in my life? Just think about what would actually be cool. And then instead of when I'm bored at home, scrolling on my phone, watching videos, what if I just try doing it? So being bored, not knowing what to do is actually the first step. So whenever I was bored, I would just spend that time fully focused learning on that one thing. I remember when I was starting out to learn some new song on the piano, all I would do is just play the right hand of that piano over and over and over again. Just keep spamming it. Keep spamming the same song to the point where my parents would actually get mad at me for just playing over and over again, that they couldn't listen to their movie or couldn't talk to someone on the phone. To that point where it's just actually like you almost get tired of hearing it. Just keep playing that. And surprisingly, it feels like I've been playing for hours because it's like kind of tedious and stuff. But it's only been 30 minutes, an hour, and I already know like a decent amount of the song. And then when I start learning a bit more, I start seeing the results, like the song actually sounds good. I remember one time it was actually hard for me to play the song because it just sounded so good. I just kept wanting to keep playing the same little notes over and over again because it just sounded so good. But I just told myself, no, I have to imagine. That's another thing that helped, just imagining. I've already done this much. Imagine how cool it would be if I did more. And also just realizing that it's possible. It's 100% doable for me to learn the song. Like, I'm adding the left hand to one of the songs that I'm learning right now. And at first I thought it was like, this is going to be too hard. It's impossible. But I just broke it down into this one tiny little segment of the song, and I'm slowly getting that part done with just a little bit of time, little bit of effort into that song. Not half butting it. I don't want to say the other word for butt because I just don't want to. But when I slowly started to put the left hand, it felt more natural, and then I was actually playing it with the left hand. I would just say to completely focus on that one thing, and then just to keep doing it. Sometimes there isn't really some crazy solution just because that's all you need to do. Learn stuff that you personally think is cool to you, that you would like to do, that could help you. Get over the frustration part of starting out by just breaking it down, making it really easy. Like, there's a reason why I'm playing the piano songs that I want to play, or trying to play some guitar songs that I want to play, because I like how they sound, not because I think other people will think it sounds cool, or I don't want to learn something because I think maybe it's cool. No, I like it because it's cool. That's why I learn it. This isn't just with music, by the way. I started playing chess recently because I feel like it's cool. Instead of watching videos or scrolling on my phone, if I just played some chess, that's a lot better. I feel like that's much better of an option. Playing a sport. learning a sport, being better at it by just spending some 30 minutes, an hour, actually focused on that thing. And then the more you start doing, I think the easier it will be to learn other things, because you just apply all the knowledge that you've learned from those other things into the next thing. So then you start learning things a lot quicker, and it all translates to each other. And then that's when you start getting more confidence. You feel better, feel like you're doing things in your life. And then it becomes so natural learning new things and being a fast learner. So right now, when you leave this video, think of that thing that you want to learn. Spend some time learning it. Let's say you want to play the piano, but you don't have a piano. Then watch videos of the piano song and see how they play it. Get some online piano. Make an effort to try and learn that thing. That's the last thing which helped me learn a lot faster, applying what I've been told right away. So hope you can do the same. Peace.